will apply a little concealer just below the eyebrow, right here, and then right here, and just tap it a little bit in here, and here. And for this, little stroke, just to this bit. Now, have you noticed when I did apply the concealer, I didn't do it right here. I just put a little dab right here and just below that circle, because I wear reading glasses all day. They do give me the circle around. So, but I just do the dab and I do it below, just a little bit here and just a little bit here. And so as a result, I get a much smoother look than if I were just putting this V. This works for me. And then I just make sure instead of go this way, I distribute down. That works for me. This works different for everybody. And then this, I go this way. So it does cover what I needed to cover, but it looks even and it looks much smoother.